Hi guys, it's been a little while. Today we are going to find out who the winner is of these cab blinds as part of the 5,000 subscribers giveaway. Let's do it. Okay guys, so it's been a little while. It's wonderful to see you all here. Thank you so much for sticking with the channel, even though I haven't got a T5 anymore. Guys, it's just really encouraging just to see how the channel's been growing. Obviously started it a couple of years ago when I bought the van, and the van's now finished and I've sold it to a friend. I actually got this amazing little video that came through from a mate of mine who saw the van while he was driving around where I used to live. So let's check that out.
Gordon, it's your van! G-Dub's van!
And so I've just loved this journey of kind of doing the channel. It's been great. Many of you have been here right from the very start, kind of seeing me rambling and figuring out how to do all the recording and stuff like that. Hopefully you've enjoyed the content this far. I've actually put the money to one side that I got for the van, and my aim is, I'm doing a master's degree at the moment, which I need to finish, hence why there's not been any content. And so the deadline for that is the end of June, or the 1st of July actually. And then as soon as I've done that, I'm going to be looking to get a T6. So that's the plan, is to try and get a nice tidy T6. I've been looking already, as you can imagine. A few of you had asked if I was going to go to the dark side and get a Transit Custom. I've got to say, I really do like the new MSRT Transit Customs. They look really smart. But I'm a VW guy, I've got to get one of those. I might get one in the future just to do a conversion on it. Never worked on one of those Transits before. But rest assured, the next project is definitely going to be a VW. It's just whether it's a T5.1 or a T6, and I'm really hoping I can push the budget and get a T6. I've already tapped up George Lloyd, and a couple of other companies have approached me to do some bits and pieces on the van, which is great. So Captain Seats are going to do some of the interior again for me. Those guys are awesome, so if you're in the market for seats, check those guys out. But without further ado, who is going to be getting these cab blinds? We said we'd do it when we had 5,000 subscribers. We're now kind of up to 5,500, so it's well overdue. So sorry that I've been a bit lax on that. But the winner, chosen at random through just scrolling through and putting my finger in, is Dubs for Adventure. So what Dubs for Adventure have said is, "Hi Gordon, it'd be great to win the blinds, but that aside, thank you for your videos. They inspired me to set up my own YouTube channel." Well done, Dubs for Adventures. "And I emailed you and replied, and you helped me out with questions I had." Guys, if you have questions, email me through YouTube. I'm happy to answer them. Also, I got to know George at Captain Seats, has seen that video and got one fitted. Good decision. Great to see videos are returned. So Dubs for Adventure, if you could please email me. I've sent you a message on YouTube, so check that out. If you can email me, and I'll sort out getting those cab blinds sent out to you as soon as humanly possible. So well done, thank you for engaging. And so guys, that's where we're up to at the moment. I've actually got a couple of other videos that I'm going to be posting up fairly soon. One is doing the actual curtains in the van. I've just realised I had the footage for it. I never actually edited it and uploaded it, so that's going to come out fairly soon. And then there's a couple of other little videos that I've been hinted at before that will be coming out over the next month or two. So please do stay subscribed. If you've liked this video, or if indeed you've liked the channel, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, I'd love to see you in the next video. Thanks for supporting. Bye.